So the next ayah is فَضَرَبْنَا فَضَرَب فَضَ. So fa is light. We're not going to make it heavy like fa. فَضَ. And then ض is heavy. ض. فَضَرَب رَب. Ra is heavy as well. And then there is ba word, ba letter, which has this quality of reflecting back. Rab. Rab. Okay, bounces back. ربنا فضربنا على آذانهم. Then again, على. Okay, so in ya there is mud. Okay, mud means that we are going to prolong the voice for a bit, which is like there comes hamza afterwards. Okay, so we are going to prolong it for 4 counts, like على آذانهم. Okay, so then آذانهم, this word is a bit easier. So you need to remember that there is the. Whenever the comes, the sound of it is very soft. Okay, you're not going to overdo this. We are just saying the, very light. Okay, آذانهم. So the we articulated when the tip of tongue touches the tip of our upper teeth, then the comes. Okay, ذال. آذانهم him. في الكهف سنين عددا. Then there is fa again. في الكهف كهفي. في الكهف سنين عددا. So there comes the sin letter, which has like, whistle sound in it with a bit more air, like s, si, sinina adada. Okay, sinina adada, da. Okay, adada. Okay.